Who else commands all the hosts of heaven? Who else could make every king bow down? Who else can whisper in darkness tremble? Only a holy God. What other beauty demands such praises? What other splendor outshines the sun? What other majesty rules with justice? Only a holy God. Come and behold Him, the one and the only. Cry out, sing holy, forever a holy God. Come and worship a holy God. What other glory consumes like fire? What other power can raise the dead? What other name remains undefeated? Only a holy God. Come and behold Him, the one and the only. Cry out, sing holy, forever a holy God. Come and worship a holy God. Come and behold Him, the one and the only. Cry out, sing holy, forever a holy God. Come and worship a holy God. Who else could rescue me from my failing? Who else would offer His only Son? Who else invites me to call Him Father? Only a holy God. Only my holy God. So come and behold Him, the one and the only. Cry out, sing holy, forever a holy God. Come and worship a holy God. Come and worship a holy God. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that cover of Only a Holy God by CityAlight. If you liked that arrangement and you want to learn it for yourself, there's a link to a tutorial on how to play it down in the description below. Also down in the description below, you'll find a link to a free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll show you even more of those advanced guitar chords. I used them all throughout this arrangement, but I'll show you even more of them in that PDF, so make sure to check that out in the description below. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Until I see you in the next video. Keep leading worship well.